Analyzer to see unused permission. So let's have a look. IAM rule for service. What is an IAM rule? Why use IAM rule for service? And example use case. What is an IAM rule? IAM rule is an AWS identity like a user that has a set of permission or policy, but it does not have permanent credential, username, password, or access key. Instead, rules are assumed by AWS service, application, or user. They provide temporary credentials for secure access. Why use IAM rules for service? If you run an AWS service like EC2, Lambda, ECS, and it needs to access another AWS service like S3, DynamoDB, you should assign an IAM rule instead of embedding access key in code. More secure, no hard code key, temporary credential auto rotate, and least privilege principle. For example, use case easy to S3 and easy to instant upload file to to an S3 bucket. Attach an IAM rule to EC2 with S3 write permission or Lambda DynamoDB. A Lambda function read and write data in DynamoDB. Attach an IAM rule to Lambda with DynamoDB permissions or ECS task RDS. A containerized app in ECS needs to query an RDS database. Assign IAM rule to ECS task. So let's have a look. IAM security tools and features. IAM Access Analyzer, IAM Policy Simulator, IAM Credential Report, IAM Access Advisor, IAM Permission Boundary, and Service Control Policy. IAM Access Analyzer, file resources in your account like S3 bucket, IAM role, or KFS keys that are shared with external entity. Help detect unintended public or cross-account access. For example, warn you if an S3 bucket is accessible by everyone. IAM Policy Simulator, a testing tool to simulate and validate permission before applying them. Help answer. IAM Credential Report, a downloadable CSV report listing all IAM users and their credential status. Show what last time asset key were used, whether MFA is enabled, or whether passwords are active. IAM Access Advisor, available per user or in the IAM console, show last time service were accessed and help identify unused permissions so you can tighten policy. IAM Permission Boundary let you set a maximum permission limit for IAM entitled. Even if a user has an allowed policy boundary can restrict them. Usually it allows where multiple admin manage users. Service control policy apply account level permission boundary across multiple AWS accounts. For example, prevent all users in their account from using EC2. Terminate instances. Now let's have a look. IAM best practice, general principle, user and group management, policy permission, and security monitoring and automation. General principle is privilege. Always give user group or